Hey everybody, today on the Modern Defender, I'm going to show you how to break out of a headlock. Stick around.
How would you react if someone were to put you in a headlock? Would you know what to do? Having basic empty-handed skills could mean the difference between you breaking free or not. Today in the Modern Defender, we're going to take you onto the mats and show you how to break out of a headlock.
But before we get into that, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. All right, so our local aggressive lumberjack is here to help me out with this exercise today. So Ed, just put me in a headlock, please. Number one, you're gonna be balanced, okay? If I'm not balanced, I'm going down. If I'm standing up straight, he's just gonna throw me to the ground. So first thing, get a balanced position. We wanna grab their hand. So if he pulls me in really tight, my face is now open for him to punch me. So we've got to get a hand in here and grab the wrist. Free hand's gonna come up. We're gonna grab either the eye or the hair, expose their throat, smash, take him down, and get the hell out of there. All right? So let's try that again. All right? So this guy comes in, he's gonna put me in a headlock. Remember, stance is first. He's gonna grab me in the headlock. Nice and wide. Protect your face, grab the arm, expose the throat, either their hair or the eye, right in the eye. Bam, punch the throat and get out of there. When you punch the throat, one more time please. You're gonna come up, pull the head back so that they go all the way down. Follow it up with a kick to the face. And again, get out of there or assess the situation and take follow-up action. Hey, thanks for watching this episode of The Modern Defender. We'll see you next time. Stay safe out there, everybody.